Aligning shapes in PowerPoint is absolutely essential, and I'll show you how to do it. You can see we have a PowerPoint page here, and it's mostly finished, but it doesn't look quite polished yet. And that is because things are not appropriately spaced. So what I'm going to do is select these three icons, and then I'm going to do Alt, and then I'm going to do 4, and that's because I've already set up my quick access toolbar to include this, and then I can click L. And this is going to align them all to the left. You can see how this venture capital box was a little bit too far to the right, so I just do Alt 4L. I'm going to do the next thing here too. First, I can just visually just space them out because there's only 2 here. But for the bottom 3, I'm going to make sure that there's an equal amount of space between each box. So I'll do Alt 4 and then V, which distributes vertically. And then for all of these 5 boxes, I'm going to do Alt 4L, and that aligns them to the left. This is actually extremely good for logos. If I select all of these logos, I can do Alt 4 and then M, which is to align the middles. And then I might do Alt 4H to distribute horizontally. Now, one quick note here is that logos don't always have the same perimeter. You can see that some have a little bit more or less white space. So sometimes using the aligning tools will throw it off. You might have to play around with it a little bit just using your eyes and using the arrow keys.